What's going on YouTube? My name is Make Money Malik and I'm here to teach you how to make money online. Now, if you came to this video wondering how can I make more than, that's right, I said more than $100 per day with Google, what I need you to do is I need you to hit the like button, I need you to ring the notification bell, and I need you to subscribe to the channel. Now, I know you've seen this method on your Facebook or your Twitter timeline before. You've been scrolling on your timeline and you see some crazy headline that says 10 most popular pinky toes. And you click it because you kind of want to know, what are the 10 most popular pinky toes, right? Those lists that you're reading generate people so much money, so much money. Now, you could potentially win more than $100 if you knew your own list. So if you're one of those people that always think of wacky headlines or are just out of the box thinkers when it comes to things, or you may know certain common or uncommon facts that people never put together, and if you can come up with 10 of those, 20 of those, 30 of those, you could be making a whole lot of money on the internet. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. There's a website that we can go to in order to make this kind of money. But what I'm also going to do, if you stick to the end of the video, is I'm going to show you the workaround. I'm going to show you how you can crank out more of those articles, more of those lists in a shorter amount of time to eventually get you more money, because that's what I'm here for. I'm here to teach you how to line your pockets online. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to go to Google and you're going to type in Listverse. Listverse is the top 10 list website. And this is the kind of content I was telling you about. Top 20 greatest movies of all time. Top 10 ways coronavirus will change your life. Now, the way this website makes their money is they have ads. They have ads all over this website. Everywhere you see an ad, right? And what they do is they have just the numbers game. You know, if enough people come to this website, somebody's going to click one of these ads. And every time they do, they get money off of it. How you can make money is if we scroll all the way to the bottom and we say submit a list, right? Submit a list. What you do is you put in your details. You can use your real name, your fake name, doesn't matter. No one will probably ever see it or ever know that it's really you. And you can submit your top 10 list, all right? So you come up with your 10 wacky ways of whatever, or 10, facts about the monuments or something like that. I'm giving you free articles right now. I hope you're writing this down, right? You put in your list, you give a quick synopsis of what you're talking about, and then you enter your list, all right? Now, you submit it, and what you could potentially do is you could win, if they accept your list, $100. They pay $100 per list, and this is just all of the accepting you're gonna have to do. Basically, they own the article afterwards, and you give them permission to post it. Right now, in order for us to make the most money we possibly can off of this, what we're gonna do is we are going to go to Google, and we are going to look up Articles Factory. Articles Factory is a free, copyright-free articles page. You can use any of these articles anywhere else on the internet. They literally made this just so people can post articles that they've already come up with the ideas for. Now, listen, we have some kind of morals here. We're not just gonna take these articles and post them in Listverse and get money that way. That's not how we're gonna do things. How we are gonna do things is we are going to get inspired from some of these ideas, right? And what you want to do is you want to stay towards health. Travel is really good. Family and entertainment. Entertainment and health are probably the two most popular things you want to be doing, right? Now, look, you have over here, top 10 dating sites. What do we say about those top 10 lists? They're going crazy, all right? What you want to do is you want to scroll through this website, all right? And you want to find, let's go to health. You want to find some kind of inspiration, right? about what kind of list you can possibly come up with. And look, they have 6 essential items for your makeup kit. We could make that 10, right? We have 7 foods you should stop eating right now. We can definitely make that 10. How you would do this is you would take this list, this title. You want to copy this title, all right? You want to copy this title, and you also want to go to Google. You're going to go to Google, and you're going to paste the title into Google. And right here, you see what are 10 foods you should never eat, right? Listen, what we do, 20 foods that are bad for your health. It's all over the place, right? We're just taking the inspiration, okay? What you would do is you would just search these a little bit, maybe pick 10 out of a few different sites. Here's 50 for you to choose from right here. You would choose 10 out of that 50, all right? And you would just, write down in a separate document what you personally feel about each of these few foods. And maybe you could put some facts in there and things like that. The article that you write for Listverse needs to be at least 1,500 words. You can easily fill that up with 1,500 words. You got 50 foods. You put some facts about each of the 10 you choose from, and then you submit to Listverse. And then if they accept it, boom, you just got $100. Now, the way we can monetize this even more is if we still go to the health articles, right? We take the 7 foods, we take the 6 essential items for your makeup kit, and we choose another one that we'll find, right? Top 10 good things you missed this 7 days thanks to COVID-19. You can take that and you could just go to Google, type in all of those things, and what you could do is you could make multiple articles in a very, very short amount of time, right? It's not going to take you very long. It'll take you an hour to make up 10, maybe 15 articles. And then you potentially have $1,500 just sitting in your computer. All you have to do is submit them. And Listverse isn't the only website that does this kind of thing. You can submit to other websites as well, right? And even higher your chances of getting money, right? Now, we don't want to all just pick from this Articles Factory website. I'm going to give you another one because I love you guys. I'm going to give you one more little cheat code that you can go to. You can also go to eZine Articles. eZine Articles is a very similar website to the Articles Factory, all right? These articles are copyright safe. No one's going to sue you. You're not going to get in trouble. They're here to be used specifically, all right? We're taking inspiration from these. We're getting ideas, and then we're creating our own content from that. So you would do the exact same thing. You would stick to arts and entertainment, or you would stick to family, relationships even, right? People are always looking at, breakup tips and flirtatious tips and things like that. That's what you could do. You could take this information and you could find a way to repurpose it and benefit you in an attempt to make a little bit more money on the side. And all you have to do is Google. This is a 100% bulletproof way to make money. Like, there's no problem with this method whatsoever. But it does take time and it does take energy. And what we really want to do when we make money online is we want to just front all of the work and profit from it for a long, long, long time, right? We want to have an online business that makes us money while we're sleeping, while we're partying, while we're doing something we truly, truly enjoy. We still want to be making money without having to be stuck at the computer or stuck at a desk, right? If this is you and you're interested in this kind of money-making ability, and you want to create a very long-term, high-quality, highly profitable online business, there's a link in the description that you could click on, and it'll take you to my number one source, in my opinion, the best way to make an online business succeed. Now, if you're just trying to make a little bit of extra cash, that's cool. Like, this is the video for you. You need to watch this video, take what I'm teaching you, and you can apply it, and I promise you, you're gonna make money easily, immediately. You don't need any kind of background information. You don't need to go to school for this kind of thing. As long as you have a good handle on English, you're perfect. This is perfect for you. But for those of you who are trying to leave that 9 to 5 that you hate, who are trying to get away from that boss you can't stand, who are trying to rise above the coworkers they work with because you know you don't belong there. You know you have a higher purpose in life and you need more freedom and you want to do exactly what it is you are passionate about. Then you need to click the link in the description that I'm leaving. And you need to take this seriously and only take this seriously. Only click if you're serious about changing your life forever. Click the link in the description and listen and read and sign up for the #1 way you can make money online, in my opinion. In my opinion, and I'm not going to steer you guys wrong. This is for entrepreneurs. This is for the people who are passionate about making money, right? Now, if that's you, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to ring the notification bell. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. My name is Make Money Malik, and I'll see you next time. Peace.